Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and being safe out there, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel and checking us out. A few months ago, actually maybe even longer than that, I was walking along the Mississippi River, which is actually right behind the shop here, and found this really cool piece of driftwood. And right away I knew what I wanted to do with it, but held on to it for a few months and finally decided to make a firewood holder out of this piece of driftwood. I actually found another piece of driftwood a few weeks back walking along the river, and actually I can show it to you here. This is a much larger piece than the first piece I found, but if anybody is interested, you can purchase this first Driftwood Firewood Holder that I'm making in this episode. And if you want another one, or if anybody else out there wants one, I can take that large piece, break it down into a few sections, and make a firewood holder for you and feature it on the YouTube channel here. Each piece will be custom. I'll probably do a different sort of leg setup or whatever, just switch up the designs to make them unique. So if you're interested in that, whether it's this piece that we're featuring today or one in the future, feel free to email me directly. My email is in the About section of our YouTube channel homepage, or you can just leave a comment below. But anyway, let's just jump into it. This is episode 10, Building for Bali episode 10, and this is the Lowery Firewood Holder. Thank you so much. Take care, be safe. See you soon.
you.